going to
It's
preface
hilarious.
the scene by what you told me earlier about what's happening here.
So these two ladies are stuck in limbo together. They're in
Limbo?
Yes, they're in the waiting room.
Purgatory.
You mean purgatory?
Yes, excuse me.
Okay.
They're in purgatory. They are waiting to
I like that
progress
limbo.
to hell, unfortunately. And they have a third, but he is not speaking.
So there's a gentleman standing off stage.
You can tell us that with your acting.
Okay. Andra! Excuse me. Have you a mirror? Oh. Excuse me. Have you a mirror? Any sort of mirror, a pocket mirror will do. Even if you won't speak to me, you might lend me a mirror.
Louder, Mom.
Don't worry. I have a mirror in my bag. It's gone. They must have taken it at the entrance from me. Oh. How tiresome. What's the matter? No, I feel so odd. Don't you ever feel this way? When I can't see myself, I begin to wonder if I really, truly exist. I pat myself just to make sure, but it doesn't help much.
You're lucky. I'm always conscious of myself in my mind. Painfully conscious.
Ah, yes, in your mind. But everything that goes on in one's head is so boring, isn't it? It makes one want to sleep. I have 6 big mirrors in my bedroom. There they are, I can see them. But they don't see me. They're reflecting the carpet, sofa, I can see them, but they don't see me. In which, oh, sorry, they're reflecting the carpet, the sofa, the window, but how empty it is. A mirror in which I'm absent. When I talk to people, I always made sure that there was one nearby in which I could see myself. I watched myself talking, and somehow it kept me alert, seeing myself as the others saw me. Oh dear, my lipstick. I'm sure I put it on all crooked. No, I can't do without a mirror forever and ever. I simply can't.
Suppose I try to be your mirror. Come pay me a visit, my dear.
But
here's a place for you on my sofa.
But
oh, he doesn't count.
But we're going to hurt each other. You said it yourself.
Do I look as if I wanted to hurt you?
One can never tell.
Much more likely, you will hurt me. Still, what does it matter? If I've got to suffer, it may as well be at your hands. Your pretty hands. Sit down. Come closer. Closer. Well, look into my eyes. What do you see?
Oh, I'm there, but so tiny I can't see myself properly. I need a bigger mirror.
But I can. I can see every inch of you.
Now ask me questions.
Wait. I was lying down this morning. Okay. I will be as candid as any looking mirror. Wait, Annie, where am I?
No, you're fine.
Oh,
I'm
okay,
embarrassed
okay,
now.
okay.
Please, Mr. Garcia, I'm sure our chatter isn't boring you.
Oh, don't worry about him. As I said, he does not count.
Your lips all right.
Show.
No, they're a bit smudgy. I thought as much. Luckily, no one's seen me. I'll try again.
That's better. No, follow the line of your lips. Oh,
Wait, I'll
That's-
guide your hand.
okay. Yes. Wait. Wait, I'll guide your hand. There. That's better. No, far better. Crueler.
As good as when I came in.
Oh, your mouth was quite diabolical.
Good gracious, and you say it like that. How maddening not being able to see yourself. You're quite sure, Miss Serrano, that it's all right now?
Would you call me Inez?
Are you sure it looks all right?
You're lovely still.
He's in love with me. But how can I rely on your taste, really? Is it the same as my taste? Oh, how sickening it all is. Enough to drive one crazy.
I have your taste, my dear, because I like you so much. Look at me. No, straight. Now smile. Wait. Damn it.
I'm not so ugly either.
Oh, no, I'm doing your right. Oh, I'm not so ugly either. Aren't you nicer than your mirror?
I don't know. You scare me rather. My reflection in the mirror never did that, of course. I knew it so well, like something I'd tamed. I'm going to smile, and my smile will sink into your pupils, and heaven knows what it will.
And why shouldn't you tame me? Listen, I want you to call me Inez. We must be great friends.
And this is so me. I don't make friends with women very easily.
What's that? That nasty red thing on your, I think it's a pimple.
Oh, pimple? Oh, how simply foul. Where? Where?
Well, there. You know the way they catch larks? They catch larks with a mirror. I'm your lark mirror. And, I'm your lark mirror. You can't escape me. There isn't any pimple, not a trace of one. So, what about it? Suppose the mirror started telling lies, or suppose I covered my eyes, as he is doing, and refused to look at you. All that loveliness of yours would be wasted in the desert air. No, don't be afraid. I can't help looking at you. I shan't turn my eyes away. And I'll be nice to you. Ever so nice. Only, you must be nice to me. Do be nice to me.